Welcome one, welcome all. So today I just wanted to take you through 5 facts about vaping. Number 1.
Only 1 in 3 adults in England knows that vaping is far less harmful than smoking.
Yeah, so while vaping isn't 100% safe, most of the chemicals which cause smoking-related disease are absent, and those that are present pose limited risk.
Number 2. Nicotine actually causes minimal risk of harm to health.
Yeah, that's right. It's not actually the nicotine that harms you, it's all of the other chemicals you find in cigarettes. Although I'd just like to point out that we don't condone getting into nicotine. It is highly addictive, so stay away from the nicotine if you can.
Number 3. The standard e-cigarette is twice as effective for quitting smoking than other nicotine replacement therapies.
So a separate study was carried out at University College London, and that found that e-cigarettes had helped an additional 50 to 70,000 smokers in England to quit in a single year. That's something.
Number 4. The United Kingdom has well-established regulations for e-cigarettes.
So to quote the government from their website, under the Tobacco and Related Products Regulations 2016, nicotine-containing e-cig products are subject to minimum standards of quality and safety, as well as packaging and labelling requirements to provide consumers with the information they need to make informed choices.
Number 5. There have been no identified health risks of passive vaping.
Yeah, so second-hand smoke from cigarettes is harmful, which is why the UK has laws prohibiting smoking in enclosed spaces. These laws, they don't cover vaping due to no evidence of harm from passive vaping being found in studies.
And so to you, United Kingdom, our United Kingdom, it is preposterous if you're still smoking. Come on down, Visual Vape, let's get this done.